Hi, I'm Kevin Castaneda, and this is Kev's Mindset, where we talk everything finance, investing, mindset, and productivity. Okay, we're gonna get straight into this video. We're gonna be talking today about the top 5 stocks that you should be buying in April. Okay, guys, let's get straight into the video because I don't want to waste any of your time. But do feel free to leave a like if you find some value from this, and subscribe if you are new. Thank you. Let's move right in. Okay, before we start, let me just preface with this. These stocks that I'm saying to buy in April are not for, yeah, you could probably swing them this month, but you cannot just day trade them. Or, I mean, if you're really good at it, you probably can, but that's not the point, is what I'm trying to say. The point of these top 5 stocks they're at good value right now, so you can hold long term. So just saying that now, because I don't want to be, first off, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I am just stating my opinions, and you can feel free to follow my opinions. Anyways, let's keep going. So my number 1 stock is Lucid Motors. Lucid Motors is really cheap right now. They're at about $23.50 per share. And we all know that if you're watching this today, that tomorrow, which is Friday, and it's Good Friday, so we do not have the market open. However, if you can pick it up right now before market closes, or you could pick it up next week or after hours today. But Lucid Motors is a great pick for April, as they're going to be starting manufacturing soon, and buying at these prices would be optimal, as it's just going to keep going up eventually. And buying this month, buying next month is great. However, buying underneath $25 for now, and then after we get over all these inflation worries, then you would start buying above 25, from the range of $25 to $30 per share. And that's a pretty good range to buy Lucid Motors at. And the ticker symbol is $CCIV. So that's ticker symbol CCIV. It's Churchill Capital Corp 4. So you can do your own research, or you could go through my videos and watch my more interactive experience talking about Lucid Motors. So let's move on to stock number 2, which is Tesla. Okay, so we all know Tesla. We all know what Tesla is. However, Tesla is severely undervalued right now. I mean, obviously PE ratio and all this, but that's not the point. The stock is driven by the people who are willing to invest in it, and people see the bright future that Tesla's gonna have. So at a $600 stock price, it's at like $670 right now, but underneath, I think $650 is good. Because the thing is, you don't want to buy, obviously you can buy it right now at $650 and come back in a year and you're gonna be up, but you don't want to buy above $650 just because you can get a better cost on it. You could probably get a $610, $620 if inflation data is as bad as people are expecting it to be. Even if inflation data is high, it's not gonna last. It's gonna be momentary inflation. So unless you think it's gonna be long-term inflation, which is, it's up to you to decide. However, I think Tesla is at a great price here and has great potential for the future, as they're innovating with the Model S. They're changing the whole infrastructure of the interior of the car, and also the Cybertruck coming soon. They have so many things that are coming around very soon. And maybe after earnings, maybe they'll have bad earnings, and then you could pick it up right after earnings, which I would probably advise, unless they have good earnings, then you'll miss your opportunity. So I would act quick on Tesla. Okay, so we're on to number 3, which is NIO. Okay, so NIO last week said that they were going to suspend manufacturing due to the fact that there is a chip shortage, which is not only for NIO, and people are kind of pushing it only on NIO because they're shutting down manufacturing, but it's not only NIO that's having chip shortages. The whole world is having issues with chip shortages due to the pandemic and due to many shipping issues and logistic issues that companies are having. That's why Intel is spending about $20 billion to go and make factories in Arizona so that they could start making more chips to fulfill the chip shortage. So it's a big thing. But anyways, moving back. So NIO is at about $41 per share at the moment, and NIO under 40 is whoa, but under 45 it's still whoa. Under 50 it's still whoa. Over 50 it's I don't think it's time to buy anymore. But under 45, I think it's reasonable to buy NIO, and under 40, you're getting a deal. So right now is a great time to buy NEO, or you can wait to see what happens with the inflation data, but you never know with the market, so you're better off averaging down than you are to miss out on an opportunity. So I very much suggest you don't just wait it out and you buy the stock if you are interested in it. Okay, now we're gonna move on to stock number 4. Okay, so stock number 4 is Endphase. And Endphase is quite interesting as they're the only competitors truly to Tesla's solar, and a lot of people are saying that it's great, and so maybe Endphase is a company you need to look into. The stock is sitting at about 160, somewhere around there, and it's at a pretty good price right now to buy Endphase. So you can totally look into that company, and you can see, if you obviously do your own due diligence, eventually I will be making reviews and analyses of all these companies. However, right now I'm trying to make videos, so I can't pump them all out at once. However, I do, the only one that right now I have an analysis of is CCIV, but I've done personal analysis just myself, and it's like in my notes and everything of these other companies. I just haven't published the videos, but you can go watch the Lucid one if you do want to watch one of the analysis. However, Endphase, great pick. And let's move on to number 5, which is Palantir. So Palantir is currently sitting at about $23 per share. This is honestly mind-blowing. Palantir under 30 bucks is crazy. Under 25 bucks is even crazier. And the fact that Palantir is sitting at 23 underneath 25 bucks, it's pretty remarkable. Honestly, under 20 would be like, whoa, I really got a deal. But personally, I don't think it's gonna go under 20. Maybe 20, maybe 21, 22, probably 21. I think we might see 21 again if all tech comes down again. But they have a bright future ahead of them, and their CEO has incredible plans for them, and working with the government, they have many opportunities that are going to be available to them, and they're expanding pretty rapidly, and it's very interesting to see them grow. And they're at a very, very cheap price at the moment, as they hit highs of about like 35, 40. And so it's interesting, you can get them for a really cheap price with high expected growth. So those are my top 5 stock picks for April. I hope you did enjoy. Let me know if you have any thoughts about any of these companies, and you could let me know down below. However, these are all great picks that you can pick up now during April, and I'm not assuring you, I'm not definitely telling you that you'll see great returns, but I personally have my money on betting on it, and I think that I will see great returns in April. And I've done full spectrum looks and seen other people's opinions, negative, positive, everything, and that's how I came to this top 5 list. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and feel free to leave a like if you did enjoy, and feel free to subscribe if you are new. Thank you guys, I've enjoyed. See you in the next one. And if you are new to investing, you can click the link down below. For Webull, get 2 free stocks when you deposit your first $100. And this 2 free stocks are valued anywhere from $8 to $1,650. Hope you did enjoy. See you in the next one. Thank you. And this was Kev's Mindset. Stay tuned.